YouTubers, so we've got a little Peugeot 206 and we're going to do the front brake pads. Pretty straightforward job, but I'll take you through it. Hope you enjoy the video. So all we need to do, loosen off brake fluid reservoir cap. That just allows the brake fluid to expand as we push the caliper piston back. Next we'll get it up in the air and get the wheels off. Now what we need to do, take the wheel off. Take off the caliper. So we've got bolt there. They're generally 13s. We'll have a look. Way my day's going to make me out to be a liar. Let's see what we've got. They're 13s. One, second, third. Next thing I'm going to want to do is get a sturdy screwdriver in there and pull it over a bit. And what that'll do is, let's start retracting the piston a bit. We'll get the screwdriver in here. Get it if we can. We've got some movement on it. And that is why you take the top off of your brake fluid reservoir, because otherwise you can build up far too much pressure. Try and do this so you can see it. One. Two. I've got Brembos, as we know they're my favourites. We'll give this a push back a little further, this a clean up. This one certainly needed replacing. A bit light on this. Another one. And I haven't seen this. I didn't advise the brake pads, but to me, with the lip that is in here, it's a fairly pronounced lip. See if we can get you zoomed in on that. That's a pretty big lip, and I would have advised discs as well. But he asked me, messaged me and said, can I have brake pads? I hadn't seen the vehicle, so what'd you do? Just give the caliper carrier and the carrier a quick clean up. Don't forget glasses, I always say that, probably boring. here. Don't go mad with this. So the next thing we're going to do is clean the sliders. So I do them one at a time on these quite easy. Give them a quick spray and see what they look like. These ain't bad nick, to be fair. Now this came out the bottom. Let's see, it's got a little plastic around it. Sorry about that noise. I'll have a little bit of brake lube on it. That's regulars though. That's my fave. I'll just move you around for this one so you can see where they come from. So we have the bottom one we've just done, lives in there, and the top one is there. So we'll clean that one up the same. Bit of lube. So this pads come like this. On the old ones, I like this, so you can see the difference. But we get the fittings from Brembo, very kind of them. You basically slot that into there. There's two of those on each pair. Again, the flat bit towards the front. There's a groove in here. Push it down. A little bit of copper slip. The screwdriver on the anti-squeal shim, if we can. Sometimes it can be a little bit awkward. Sometimes they can be a lot awkward. Oh man. It baffles me. Peugeot, Citroën, French cars. I always seem to design the weirdest stuff. There we go. Just have to get the angle of the dangle right. I'll lose that anti-squeal shim back. So yeah, basically these little anti-squeal shims, you just get one started and then pop the other in by holding it down with a little screwdriver or your thumb. Yeah. Put it in the back. There we go, just got a customer arriving. Just push it in the rest of the weight. slip. Have to get this pad in here, same as the other one. Let's get the bottom one started. Let's go in there. Get the top one kind of where it wants to live. Pushing the tag. And maybe you need a screwdriver on this. There we go. Get the bottom one. They're in. Bit of thread lock. So, bottom bolt. Top bolt. I say starting by hand. You can look up your own tool settings for your vehicle. Next thing you do is get the wheel on. Yes, that's the job. Quick brake pad change on a 206. Also, I'm going to drop it down, pump the pedal, so that then I can do the other side. I won't take you through that because that'd be boring for you to see it twice. And then once that's finished, just check the brake fluid level, put the cap back on, good to go. Don't forget you've got to bed in your brake pads, and that'll be on the documentation that comes with your brake pads. Use these, they're my faves. Hope you enjoyed that video. Just a quick how-to on change brake pads on a 206 Peugeot, circa 2005, 2006. Anyway, if you like the video, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of the next videos, and any comments or questions, leave in the box below. Thank you.